the truth shall set us free. And we have been denied the truth. And whether you're on the kind of design side, the architecture side, or the build side, on the execution side, our history is interlinked. And a factoid that makes that completely evident is just the derivation of the word architect. The word architect means master builder. It goes back to ancient Greek times. Archi is chief or master, and tekton is builder or carpenter. And the way an architect became an architect was through the trades, through building. They were just the best of the best. And that held true up until the mid to late 1800s. And the history books have been written to purport a past where they were always separated. But that is farthest thing from the truth that could be so. I'll be presenting the facts on this. And, don't believe me. That is totally fine. What's true is what's true for you. But I will be providing verifiable evidence where you can assess and make your own decision. Because this current setup that we have today, where there is this separation, where there is this adversarial contentiousness that is prevalent in our industry, where we're responsible for achieving the same product, it is manufactured. It has been created. It is not natural. And we need to get back together. My whole purpose for these talks and speaking on this is to reunite us, to bring us back together so that we can go forth and unite the world with the spaces we create for them.